You spend so much time giving love to everyone else. But when was the last time you gave that same softness to yourself? Today, we begin there. So for the next few moments, you don't need to fix yourself. You don't need to prove anything. You don't need to carry the weight of being strong. Just allow yourself to arrive here. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathing in softness and breathing out pressure. Notice the way your body has been holding so much lately. The quiet exhaustion. The invisible heaviness. The constant effort of trying to be enough for everyone. And maybe, just maybe, you've forgotten that you deserve care too. Not only from others, but from yourself. So today, this meditation is not about becoming someone new. It's about returning to yourself gently. Like coming home after being away for too long. Take another deep breath in and let your shoulders soften. Imagine yourself sitting beside the version of you who has been silently carrying everything. The version of you who smiles even when tired. Who keeps going even when overwhelmed. Who comforts everyone else while quietly neglecting their own heart. Look at them with kindness, not judgment, not disappointment, just compassion. And softly say to yourself, I see you. I know you've been trying your best. You don't have to carry everything alone anymore. Let those words settle gently inside you. You were never meant to survive only on pressure and expectations. You were meant to feel peace too. You were meant to feel loved, especially by the person you spend every moment with, yourself. Now bring your attention to your heart. Imagine a warm light glowing there. Soft, golden, comforting. With every breath, grows warmer. And slowly, it begins melting the harsh words you've carried about yourself. The self-doubt, the guilt, the feeling of never doing enough. Allow it to soften. You are allowed to stop being at war with yourself. You are allowed to speak to yourself gently. Imagine speaking to yourself the way you would comfort someone you deeply love. You wouldn't call them a failure for being tired. You wouldn't shame them for needing rest. You wouldn't tell them they are unworthy. So why speak that way to yourself? Today, we begin changing that. Take a slow breath in and repeat quietly in your mind, I deserve kindness too. Again, I deserve kindness too. Feel those words reaching the parts of you that have gone too long without tenderness. The parts that always felt overlooked, unchosen, unappreciated. Imagine wrapping those parts of yourself in warmth. No rushing, no fixing, just love. Because healing does not happen through force. Sometimes healing happens when you finally feel safe enough to stop fighting yourself. And maybe that safety can begin here, in this moment. With this breath. Now imagine yourself standing in front of a mirror. But instead of looking for flaws, you simply look with understanding. You see someone who survived difficult days. Someone who kept going through heartbreak, disappointment, pressure, and uncertainty. Someone who deserved more softness than they received. And still, they are here, still trying, still hoping, still healing. That is strength, not perfection, not constant productivity. Just the courage to continue with an open heart. Place your hand gently over your heart if you'd like, and whisper, I am learning to love myself gently. worthy of the same love I give to others. I am enough as I am. Stay with this feeling for a few breaths. Take a moment now to imagine your heart becoming lighter, not because every problem disappeared, but because you no longer need to carry yourself so strongly. Feel the relief in that. The peace of no longer needing to constantly earn your worth. You are already worthy. Not when you achieve more. Not when you become perfect. Not when everyone approves of you. Now, in this very moment, allow yourself to rest inside that truth. Breathe it in slowly. And as you exhale, release the pressure to be anyone other than yourself. You are allowed to grow gently. You are allowed to heal slowly. You are allowed to love yourself fully along the way. As you finally choose to love yourself, carry this feeling with you. The feeling of softness, of acceptance, of finally treating yourself with the love you've always deserved. And whenever life feels heavy again, come back to this simple reminder. You matter too. Your heart matters. Your peace matters. Your healing matters. Take one final deep breath in and slowly let it go. And before you leave, say this quietly to yourself. Today, I choose to love myself a little more. And that is where healing begins.